Good afternoon. Hi, I'm the future employer. I'm Lilibet Liwag. I'm 37 years old, married, high school graduate. I have two children. My son is 18 years old. My daughter is 15 years old. I'm an ex-abroad from Malaysia, Chinese culture. The duty routine is care of the elderly care and change the form first and then go to shower and then I can prepare the breakfast and then household, vacuum, ironing, gardening, and then wash the clothes. And then thank you for hiring me. I'm honesty, hardworking, and I can rules your rules, my employer. I can manage my time. Please hire me and see you in Hong Kong. Thank you very much.